Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with BPSC TRE2 Social Science questions held in 2023. It is based on past papers of 6 to 8 or 9 to 10 class papers of social science. If you like the video, please share. This exam was done on 8 and 9 December of 2023. So question number 1 is, who appoints the Chief Justice of India? A. President of India. B. Prime Minister. C. Cabinet. D. None. Answer is A. President of India. The President of India appoints Chief Justice of India. Second question. The first country to give women right to vote. A. USA. B. England. C. New Zealand. D. None. Answer is C. New Zealand. New Zealand was the first to give women full voting right. Question number 3. Indian National Congress was founded in A. 1998, B. 1951, C. 1980, D. None. Answer is C. 1980. Question number 4. Which factor most influence voting behavior in India? A. Caste, B. Language, C. Religion, D. More than one. Answer is D. More than one. Multiple social factors influence voting, so it cannot be assigned to one factor. Next question number 5. Indian Parliament consists of A. President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. B. Lok Sabha, President. C. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. D. None. Answer is C. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Parliament is equal to Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha plus President in practice. Legislative function is done by only Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So it is Parliament consists of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next question. Fundamental rights introduced in Indian Constitution in A. 1947, B. 1950, C. 1951, D. 1952. Answer is B. 1950. Constitution came into force on January 26, 1950. Question number 7. Who was the first Governor General of India? A. Lord Canning, B. Lord Wellesley, C. Lord Dalhousie, D. None. Answer is A. Lord Canning. Canning became the first viceroy in 1858 after 1857. The Quit India, next question. The Quit India movement was launched in A. 1920, B. 1930, C. 1942, D. 1947. Answer is C. 1942. Launched in August 1942. Next question. Indian National Army was led by A. Subhash Chandra